Good morning, everyone. I hope I'm audible to you all. Right? Now, trigonometry. In the previous session, right? One problem. Okay, secant theta. See, observe that one. Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 1.5 given to you. So it was 3 by 2, right? Where secant theta minus tan theta value, you will get 2 by 2. Now, if I take minus, we made a mistake in that one. We have not take, we never took this minus, okay? So if I cancel these two, I got 2 tan theta value, right? 2 tan theta value is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 you should take. We added this, right, at that time. So 2 tan theta, you just amend that one. 9 minus 4 by 6, okay? So 2 tan theta value is equals to 5 by 6, right? Now tan theta becomes 5 by 12. You just observe this problem and you just rectify this one. Okay, please. I'm sorry. Please turn off your videos because I'm having less space here. Please turn off your videos. Please turn off your video. Next one. Take down the next problem. I hope you got this. Take down the next problem. Today we should complete trigonometric ratios and we should enter into compound angles. By tomorrow we should complete the entire trigonometry because only trigonometric ratios are having more than one problem, right? Yes, take down the first problem. Next problem is this one. If alpha comma beta are complementary angles, if alpha comma beta are complementary angles, find the value of sine square 90 minus alpha plus sine square 90 minus beta. Yeah. So what has been given to you? Alpha comma beta are complementary. Means alpha plus beta value should be equals to 90 degrees. Means alpha is equal to 90 minus beta, where sine alpha value is equal to cos beta value. Okay, and cos alpha value becomes sine beta. At that time, sine square, this is the question, 90 minus alpha plus sine square 90 minus beta, right? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos square theta. Means it becomes cos square alpha plus cos square beta. So instead of cos square alpha, you just write down cos, instead of cos square alpha, or you just write down cos square alpha as it is, plus instead of cos square beta, you can write sin square alpha. The value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. I am repeating this question. If alpha comma beta are complementary angles, sin square 90 minus alpha plus sin square 90 minus beta I want. What are called complementary angles? Alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Means alpha is equal to 90 minus beta. At that time, sin alpha is equal to cos beta. Cos alpha is equals to sin beta. Now, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Means sin square 90 minus alpha becomes cos square alpha plus sin square 90 minus beta becomes cos square beta. So cos square alpha as it is, instead of cos square beta, you can write sin square alpha. You know very well, cos square beta plus sin square beta is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Copy this one. The students who have copied can write this problem. the value of root of 1 minus sine square 100 degrees into secant 100 degrees. I hope you have copied this. Let us do little bit fast, please. See, you are having one formula in trigonometric ratios. 1 minus sine square theta value is equal to cos square theta, right? So you can write this one as root of cos square 100, okay, into secant 100. Cos square 100 value is equal to under root, no? Under root. So root and square get cancelled. You are going to get cos 100 into secant 100. 100 degrees belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, right? So you are going to get minus cos 100 degrees into secant 100 degrees, which is equal to minus 1. Take this one. Generally, you are going to write cos 100 into secant 100. You won't take modulus here. That is, you won't get negative here. You won't take negative here. Okay. Then the problem becomes wrong. Take down this problem. Yeah, see the next problem. See the next problem. I think it is somewhat big. Let me clear the previous problem. I hope you have copied these two. Okay. Now observe the problem what has been given to you, and in the problem you are having to the power of 6, sine power 6 like that. So how to do that problem? If you do in the normal method, it takes much time. So I am going through the shortcut method to do this, right? Let us consider either alpha value is equals to 0 or 90 degrees. Okay. Let us consider alpha is equal to 0 or 90 degrees. You are going to get 3 into sine power 4 3 pi by 2 plus sine power 4 3 pi minus 2 sine power 6 pi by 2. If I consider 0 plus sine power 6 pi by 9. Now observe sine n pi by 2 value is equal to 1 amma. 1 power 4 value is 1. Sine n pi value is 0. minus 2 into sine pi by 2 value is equals to 1. 1 power 6 is equal to 1. Sine n pi, whatever may be the n pi value is equal to 0. So 0 power 6 is equals to 0. So 3 minus 2 value is equal to 1. This is a shortcut method to do this problem. As these are objective, you can't go through the normal method. It becomes lengthy to do that problem. So, right? Take down. I am repeating this problem. Substitute either theta is equal to 90 or 0. I am going to substitute very easy angle called 0 degrees, right? If I substitute 0, you should understand, you should know one thing. Sine n pi by 2 value is equals to 1. Sine n pi is equals to 0. So it becomes 1 power 4, 1, 0 power 4, 0, minus 2 into 1 power 4, 1 power 6, 1, 0 power 6 is equals to 0. Okay? Copy this one. And let us take the fourth problem. Write down the next problem. If cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1, then the value of, he asked you to find, then sine power 12 x plus 3 sine power 10 x plus 3 sine power 8 x plus sine power 6 x plus 1 value. Okay, copy this one. Yeah, observe this. I hope you have copied this previous problem. As I am writing the question, okay, it becomes very slow and even in online. So you should be very fast. Now, you just send 1 minute. Some students are rising. One student raised his hand. You can ask the doubt now. Okay, let it be. Okay, now observe this one. Cos x, C means cos, let us consider. Cos square is equal to 1. S means sine, okay? So, C is equal to 1 minus C square. What is the meaning of it? C is equal to S square. Squaring on both sides, you are going to get C square is equal to S power 4. Okay? Okay, you can write like this. C square is equal to 1 minus S whole square. Yes, 1 minus sine square theta. Observe. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to sine power 4 theta. Now, you just transform that to left-hand side. You are going to get sine power 4 plus sine square minus 1 is equals to 0 or is equals to 1. Let us take like this. Cubing on both sides, we are going to get sine power 4 plus sine square whole cube is equal to 1 cube. Now, a plus b whole cube formula. A power a cube means sine power 12 plus 3 a square means sine power 8 into b means sine square plus 3 a b square means sine power 4, right? Plus b cube means sine power 8. Okay, is equals to 1. Understood this? I hope You got this one, right? Sine power 12 plus, right? I think the question it is just being given sine power 8. The sine power 6 you are going to get here and wrong. See here, it is s power 6. Okay. Now he asked you to find out the value of. You just simplify that one. You are going to get. See here, adding 1 to both sides. You are going to get sine power 12. In this question, it has been given 3 into sine power 10 plus, okay, sine power 3 sine power 8 plus sine power 6 plus 1, adding 1 on both sides is equal to, right hand side 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Now I am repeating this problem again. Given cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1, cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1, cos x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, cos x is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Squaring on both sides, cos square theta is equal to sin power 4. Left hand side, in the place of cos square, I wrote 1 minus sin square. You just transform this minus sin square to the right hand side. Sin power 4 plus sin square is equal to 1. Cubing on both sides. Okay, a plus b whole cube formula. I am going to get right hand side 1. If I add 1 to both sides, I am going to get 2 as answer. Copy this one. Yeah, take down the next problem after copying. Okay, I will look here. Fifth one. 8 cos x plus 15 sin x is equal to 15. I want the value of, then find, that means he asked you to find 8 sin x minus 15 cos x value. Take down this problem. Now observe. I'm going to give you one synopsis. Okay, here. Okay, if even you can write it one shortcut method. Normal method you should square on both sides and you should write. It becomes lengthy. If a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c, then a sin x minus b cos x value is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. Now substitute a is equal to 8, b is equal to 15, c is equal to 15 in the given problem. You are going to get the answer. Okay. So you should get the answer as minus 8. Copy this one. I hope you have copied it. Now let me rub the fourth problem. Now take down the next sixth problem. These are all important and previous questions. You should read it because, well, take down the sixth problem here. These are the problems, elimination of theta. Okay, x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. He asked you to find the relation between a and b. Means these are the problems which are related to elimination of theta. Means, see here, from this equation, you can write cos cube theta is equal to x by a. Okay, similarly, sin cube theta is equals to y by a. Alright. From this one, you can write cos theta is equal to cube root of x by a. From this one, you can write sin theta is equal to cube root of y by a. Now, squaring on both sides, cos square theta is equals to x by a to the power of 2 by 3. Sin square theta is equals to y by a to the power of 2 by 3. Now, as you know very well, that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Okay. The relation becomes x by a to the power of 2 by 3 plus y by a to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to 1. What is this one? What is this one? Now, I hope you have copied this. Similarly, if I give same type of questions, like suppose, see, same model question I am going to give to eliminate theta. X is equal to a sin theta, y is equal to b cos theta. If I take r, let me clear this. Let x is equals to a cos theta, parametric form. Y is equals to b sin theta. If I take, what is the problem? See here, you are going to get same. How to find out the relation in between a and b? So from this one, cos theta can be written as x by a, and sin theta can be written as y by b. Am I right? So you know very well, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. You are going to get x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. How do you think? After this problem, let us go to compound angles. So these are about trigonometric ratios. Now let us go to compound angles. Compound angles, multiple submultiple angles, and transformations. I hope you have copied this. So I'm going to the next page. Each and every problem is important. Now, I am going to the remaining concepts in trigonometry, or up to now I discussed that trigonometric ratios. Now, problems on compound angles, multiple submultiple, transformations. Right? So, in compound angles, these are all related to only formulas. You know very well. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B formula. Cos A plus B formula, cos A minus B formula. If you go through that textbook or any material, you are going to get the formulas on it. Okay, no use of giving formulas right now. Why? Because that means it becomes very, that means it takes time if I give the formulas. So, according to the problem, if I get any formula, I am going to do it. Okay, no problem. So, how the problems of compound angles will be? Okay, he will ask us to find out the value of in compound angles. He is going to ask you the value of, see here, suppose one problem I will give you. Find the value of, you should concentrate much on these synapses. Okay, I think I will give you one synapse, some synapses. You just concentrate on them first of all. You just write down that first of all. A plus B plus C is equals to, you should concentrate on this one. I think you know this one, tan A plus B formula, cot A plus B formula, like that. There is no need to give. Okay, A plus B plus C is equals to n pi. Okay, sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A in compound angles. What is called sigma tan A, sir? Tan A is, that means sigma tan A is nothing but that is tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to pi tan A means tan A into tan B into tan C. Right? Like this. And similarly, second one, sigma part A part B is equals to 1. What is the meaning of it? That is part A part B, you can copy this one, plus part B part C plus part C part A. And you can ask me, sir, when and where these trigonometric ratios are, this compound angles are to be used. Compound angles means A comma B are two individual angles. A plus B is equals to one compound angle. In this compound angles chapter, you should remember the values of sine 15 degrees, okay, which is equals to 15 degrees. If you want, you can write it. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, which is equals to the value of cos 75 degrees. Okay, sir, how we found this one? That means already you found this in your first field, like sine 15 degrees is equals to sine 45 minus 30, sine A minus B formula. What is sine A minus B formula? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, like that. Okay. Now, similarly, sine 15 over sine 75 is what it is, and tan 15 cos 15, let us say. cos 15 degrees is equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, which is equal to sin 75 degrees. We just copy this one. This is very important. This is very important. Tan 15 degrees is very important. Tan 15 degrees is equals to 2 minus root 3, which is equals to cot 75 degrees, because these two are complementary angles. Now, cot 15 degrees is equals to 2 plus root 3. This is also very important, which is equal to tan 75. Okay. And some another values are also important as the third point. And secant 15 degrees is equals to 1 by cos 15 means 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1, which you can write this one as root 6 minus root 2, which is equals to cosecant 75 degrees. Cosecant 15 degrees is equals to 2 root 2 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Why? Because it is a reciprocal of, that means root 6 plus root 2, which is equal to cosecant, which is nothing but secant 75 degrees. Copy these four, this matrix. Copy this one, please. Yeah, I hope you have copied this. So let us enter into the problems of compound angles, right? Now, first problem. Concept. Take down tan theta is equal to cos theta. Sorry, let me take alpha there. Easily you can understand. Cos alpha minus sin alpha by cos alpha plus sin alpha. Okay. He asked you to find out the value of theta plus alpha is equal to. Okay. Now, how to do this problem? Observe. We are having two formulas, right? You should remember them correctly. Cos alpha minus sin alpha by cos alpha plus sin alpha. The value is equal to tan pi by 4 minus alpha. You should remember this. Suppose if you got positive sign in the numerator, like I am writing it aside. If you want, you can copy it and you should remember that one. Sin cos alpha plus sin alpha by cos alpha minus sin alpha. Value this can be written as tan pi by 4 plus alpha, right? So if it is positive, you should get plus alpha. If it is negative, then you should get negative. Okay, so the left hand side, you can that means tan theta question is equal to the right hand side can be written as tan pi by 4 minus alpha, right? You just compare the angles, don't cancel tan and tan. Comparing angles, we are going to get theta is equals to pi by 4 minus alpha. He asked you to find out is equals to pi by 4 is the answer. Copy this one. And you just write down this point, this point cos alpha plus sin alpha by cos alpha minus sin alpha. That is this formula side. Okay, take down the next problem related to compound angles. Sin 40 degrees 25 minutes into cos 19 degrees 35 minutes plus cos 40 degrees 25 minutes into sin 19 degrees 35 minutes. Okay. First of all, how to do this problem? If you observe this one closely, you are having one formula. I am writing the formula outside of it. Observe sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. The value is equal to sin of A plus B. Okay. So, which you can write this one as sin of A value is 40 degrees 25 minutes and B value is equals to 19 degrees 35 minutes, right? So which you are going to get it as sin 60 degrees, okay? That is 59 degrees plus 1 degree, which is equal to 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2 is the answer. I'm going to do here if you want, okay? 40 degrees, 25 minutes, okay? 19 degrees, 35 minutes, right? So 59 degrees plus 1 minute, that is 60 minutes. You know very well, 60 minutes is equals to 1 degree, okay? So which is equals to 60 degrees. Copy this one. I hope you have copied this one, right? Now let me move to the next one. Yeah. Cos square pi by 6 plus theta minus sin square pi by 6 minus theta. Okay. Now observe. Okay. This is in the form of cos square A. This is in the form of cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos A plus B into cos A minus B. You should remember this one. Means you are going to get, see the problem, A is equal to pi by 6 plus theta, B value is equal to pi by 6 minus theta. So you are going to get, observe, cos A plus B means pi by 6 plus theta plus pi by 6 minus theta, A plus B value over, into cos pi by 6 plus theta, okay, minus of pi by 6, minus into minus, plus again you are going to get theta, right? So minus theta plus theta get cancelled. Here minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 get cancelled. Okay, you are going to get cos pi by 6 plus pi by 6 is equals to 30 plus 30, 60 means pi by 3 into cos 2 theta. So cos pi by 3 value is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 into cos 2 theta you are going to get. I am repeating this problem again. He has given you in terms of cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B formula is cos A plus B into cos A minus B, right? You should read the formula, otherwise I can't help you. So you just take your textbook or material and read the formulas in compound angles. Cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos A plus B into cos A minus B. See, cos A plus B value becomes pi by 6 plus theta plus pi by 6 minus theta into cos pi by 6 plus theta minus cos pi by 6, minus of minus becomes positive. Okay. Now minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 minus theta plus theta get cancelled. Cos pi by 3 into cos 2 theta. Cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta is the answer. Similar to this one, I am going to give you one question. Do this one. Cos square, take down 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees. Same formula you should use. See here, as you know, same cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos A plus B into cos A minus B, right? Cos A plus B value is equal to cos A plus B means 48 plus 12 is 60 into cos A minus B is nothing but 36 degrees. Cos A plus B 1 by 2, cos 36 value you are going to get in multiple submultiple angles. 1 root 5 plus 1 by 4. You are going to get the answer as root 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, copy this one. I hope you have copied this. Now, take down one more question as homework. You just do this. Sin square 52.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. I am going to give you the formula right now. You just go through the formula and do. Okay. What is the formula now? Sine square A minus sine square B value is equal to sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Take down the formula. As I have not given you the formula, okay, I am writing the formulas here. So just go through this one, and I have given you the formulas also. Yes, and the values also is good. Tomorrow, let us see some more problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.